Hi everybody! Today we will teach you how to make a glitter lantern cube. First, you'll need a clear photo cube, and you can get this at Michael's. Next, you'll need some spray adhesive or spray glue. It doesn't matter what brand, but you can get this at Home Depot. You're also going to need some glitter, and it doesn't matter what color. Also some contact paper or shelf liner. You can get this at a hardware store or Home Depot. Also some glass beads. You can get any color you want, but we got clear. They're also called decorative fillers or vase fillers. You can get these at Michael's. You're also going to need some LED flameless candles. Some scissors. You can get big scissors or little scissors, whichever you prefer. Also a pretty standard Sharpie. Doesn't matter what color. Now let's get started. The first step is to draw your shapes so you want them inside of your cube. Now, you're going to cut your shapes out. Your next step is to peel apart your contact paper shapes and stick them onto the inside of your cube. Now, you're going to take a piece of contact paper, put it on one side of your cube, draw it out with a Sharpie, and cut it out. You're going to repeat this process 5 more times. Now, you're going to take those squares, peel them apart and put them on each side of your cube. For our next step, you're going to need some glitter, 2 tubes preferable, your photo cubes, and the spray adhesive. For our next step, you're going to spread the spray adhesive inside your box, pour the glitter, close it, and shake. Now you're going to use a pencil to help you peel off your inside shapes. The next step is to peel off the outside squares. Now you're going to need your photo cubes, the LED candles, and some glass beads. For this next step, you're going to need a partner to hold the sides of your cube so your beads won't fall out. Now, you're going to fill your cube about halfway full with glass beads. Now take a candle and secure it inside of your beads. You may need to add some more beads to make sure the candle is secure. For this next step, you're going to need some contact paper, your cubes, and some scissors. You're going to cut out a couple small rectangles out of the contact paper. Now, to secure the cube, you're going to peel and stick the rectangles onto the edges where the beads might fall out. here's what your final product should look like. Or, if you don't like that look, you can always just take out the candle and fill up the rest of your cube with glass beads.